Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First we need to open the FITBIT application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. Once you open the application, you should see the Today page in the app. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the profile page. On this page, find your Inspire 3 on the list of devices and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the button called Remove this Inspire 3. Tap on it again to confirm. Now you'll be redirected to the Today page, and when you open the profile page, the Inspire 3 will be gone from here. You can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Inspire 3 on the list of my devices. If it is here, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget this device to disconnect it. And at this point, the smartband is unpaired from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.